Hello and welcome to this Decathlon Deconstructed video for the Solar Decathlon Design Challenge. This video will cover an overview of the competition contests. The 10 contests are what make our competition a true decathlon. They represent industry relevant and technical focus areas that students are required to address through a seamless, integrated, and whole building design solution. These contest areas are also great areas for students to build critical knowledge and skills in that they can take into their careers in the buildings industry. All the contests in Solar Decathlon are weighted equally, and at the final stage of the competition, jurors will evaluate how teams successfully addressed the criteria of each of those 10 contests. The 10 Solar Decathlon contests are listed on the right-hand side here. They include architecture, engineering, envelope, efficiency, grid interactivity, life cycle, health, market, community, and presentation. Be sure to check out section 4 of the rules for more information about these contests as well as the criteria. But during this video, we'll go through a quick overview of the 10 contest areas. The first contest is architecture. This contest evaluates the building architecture for creativity and matching form with function, overall integration of systems, and ability to deliver outstanding aesthetics and functionality. Through this contest, students will be asked questions like, for example, how well did you integrate the building form and function, including exterior and interior architecture, with response to your target market and target occupant? The second contest is engineering. This contest evaluates the design and effective integration of the innovative high-performance systems that are needed for a zero-energy building, including mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and structural engineering systems. Through this contest, students will be asked to address how they approach their engineering design of active building systems and if they demonstrated innovative use of technologies. The third contest is envelope. This contest evaluates the envelope design strategies, including airtightness, thermal performance, and durability for how well the team balanced comfort with optimized system performance. Through this contest, students will be asked questions like how effectively they used passive design strategies to reduce active system capacity requirements. The fourth contest is efficiency. This contest evaluates the whole building operational efficiency from successful modeling to application of active and passive systems. Through this contest, students will be asked questions like how they demonstrate realistic models and calculations that inform their design decisions related to energy and water usage in their project. The fifth contest is grid interactivity. This contest will evaluate your building's ability to adapt to a dynamic grid edge and minimize operational carbon with interactive control, demonstrate resilience during grid disruptions, and align with the supply, demand, and fuel mix constraints of the local utility. This contest will ask students to deploy innovative solutions to improve load management, including smart controls, and ask students to explore how their building interacts with the regional power grid. The next contest is life cycle. This contest evaluates the building's ability to minimize embodied carbon emissions throughout the entire building life cycle, including building materials, construction, operation, and end of life. Through this contest, students will perform a life cycle assessment to identify the embodied emissions impact of their design choices. The next contest is health. This contest evaluates the building's capability to safeguard occupant health and quality of life through system and space designs that optimize comfort, safety, and indoor air quality. Through this contest, for example, students will be asked to complete an indoor environmental quality strategy that prioritizes indoor air quality as well as whole building ventilation. Next up, we have market. This contest evaluates the project's potential to transform the built environment and serve as a catalyst for change through scalability and likelihood of adoption by the target market and industry. Through the market contest, students will be challenged to perform a thorough market analysis, including realistic cost estimates to explain to the jurors. Next up, we have the community contest. This contest evaluates how the building supports and aligns with the priorities of the occupants and their local communities, including addressing the need for equity, affordability, and resilience. This contest will be heavily dependent on the site and location where you choose to design your building and the surrounding community. Last but not least, we have the presentation contest. This contest will evaluate your team's ability to educate, inspire, and motivate when communicating your real-world solution to jurors, project stakeholders, and the public. It's worth noting that the presentation contest does not require any narratives in the competition deliverables throughout the design challenge. Rather, this presentation contest will be evaluated by jurors through your verbal presentations as well as your written deliverable materials that you submit throughout the competition. Our advice to you is that the most successful teams in the design challenge integrate and innovate across the 10 contest areas. And it might be worth having different students on your team focus on different contest areas to make sure you are addressing those criteria through your competition deliverables. Thank you for watching this Decathlon Deconstructed video.